In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join and farm the MergeChain AI airdrop. So basically, MergeChain offer tailored computer power, expert solution, and scalable resources designed to drive AI innovations across the world. So right now, they are rewarding their users that will be part of their ecosystem, providing computing power that will enable them fast track their transactions and data sharing across the internet. So that one is called MergeNode. So I'll walk you guys through how to set it up on your mobile phone and also on your computer, and it also has a Telegram bot. So I will walk you guys through and how to set it up. So the first thing we need to do right now is to click on this part here, join airdrop. We need to click on it and it will take us to this platform where we will need to sign up. So I'm not going to sign up because I've already signed up before, but I just want to show you guys how it works. So while signing up, they will give you a node. So that node, you can run it on your computer, on your mobile phone, or any low-grade system. Now when you start running that node, you'll be getting rewarded. Now by running a merge node, you are helping MergeChain AI maintain its decentralized infrastructure. This include payment processing, data distribution, and optimizing communication within node in the network, and you'll be getting rewarded. So I will show you how to set it up, and I also want you to know that this will run for only 3 months. So after 3 months, it will launch and you will get paid. So what you want to do right here is to make sure you input your username right here, input your email, your password, and verify your password also, and also include the verification code. So I'll be putting this verification code on the screen and on the description below. Now this code will give you 100 points, which will actually give you a little bit of reward. So let's say, for example, we are done signing up on the platform. So what you want to do is to click on sign in right here, and I will log in my own account right now so that you guys will see how it is. So as you can see, this is how it looks like so far. So this is my own account. So for you to be able to run this successfully, you will need to download their extension from the Google Play Store. So what you want to do right now is to go to the Google Play Store. As you can see right here, I have already install their extension, but let me just take you through the Google Play Store so that you will see how the extension looks like. Now this is how the extension looks like right here. It only has 100,000 members currently, which means that it is new and you are an early bird, which gives you an upper hand. Like I said, this project is going to end in the next 3 months, so make sure you start mining as soon as possible. So I will leave the link in the description below so that you can make use of it. And also, so right now, as you can see right here, it says remove from Chrome. It means that I have already installed it. So this is what it will show. But when you haven't installed it yet, you will see install to Chrome. So let's go back to the platform right now. So this is the platform right here. I will walk you through the meaning of everything on this platform so that you understand how it works. So right now, let's say let me come to my extension right here. As you can see, so one thing I love about these guys is that for every points you claim, so they remove gas fee. So this means that when you getting your airdrop at the end of 3 months, you wouldn't be charged any gas fee because they are already removing it from every point you make. As you can see right here, as you can see, I'm claiming it right now. So as you can see right here, this is my gas fee that I will be paying for this, and this is my Binance balance that will be here. As you can see, let's click on claim. So you need to come back every 2 hours to make sure you claim your reward every 2 hours. Very important. This is what we have. And another thing about this platform is that because they are just starting, you can only add 2 nodes. Now 2 nodes means that let me take you to this platform right here, the nodes section. So as you can see, I can only add 2 nodes. It means that I can only add 1 extension and 1 Telegram account. So like I said, they have a Telegram bot also, which is this one right here. Come back here, I need to claim this. As you can see right now, I've claimed the Telegram and I have 2 of these nodes running, the extension and also the Telegram nodes, as you can see right here. So every 2 hours you come and claim it. So one thing I love about this platform is the fact that you can synchronize both accounts, both your desktop account and your Telegram account together. The whole process is seamless. Like you can see right here, connect your Telegram to your Merge account. So I've synced everything together. My referrals, my earnings, everything works together. So when you come to the reward section right here, you will probably see like tasks you can do and you can get rewarded. Like if you verify your email, if you join their Telegram mini app, if you start using it actually. Also, like there are a lot of tasks that you can do. As you can see, there are some tasks here that I haven't done, which I will need to do. Here also add match AI to your username. All this stuff you need to do them and you will get rewarded. So if you come to the referral section right here, you can see this is how much I have earned so far from the people I've referred. So as they are doing stuff, I'm getting at least I think 20 to 5%, something like that. So this is what I'm getting. So let me claim it right here. So let's come down to the wallet. Now this is where I love about this platform. Now if you come down to this section right here, you will notice that we are getting paid in I think this is Binance Coin or Binance. I've forgotten what it's called, but this is in Binance. Yeah, so normally we're supposed to be getting paid in this Mesh coin right here, or Mesh token, which is MCC, but it's not available right now. So right now we are getting rewarded in BNB. Yeah, we are getting rewarded in BNB. So far this is how much I have made. So I think yesterday it was up to $4 based on the points I have collected, based on the taxes and everything. This is how much I've made so far. Now you need to know something here. So this one was high before and I got like $4 right here. You understand? I got like $4 right here, but I think it fell a little bit and here it became $2, which is fine, which is totally fine. Let's just forget about that right now. Now if you come to withdraw, you can withdraw right now, so let's leave that one for now. So this is the history of all my transactions, both my collecting of my points and paying for gas fee. Like I said, for every points you collect, you pay for gas fee. So this means that when you're trying to retrieve your full airdrop after 3 months, you won't be paying any gas fee at all. So we don't know how much this will be converted into when it is on MCC, but it's coming soon. This is their official token, which is a MCC. Yeah, so here is your profile, and yeah, so that is how it is. So make sure you also go to your Telegram and search for their bots. Yeah, you can search for their bots on your Telegram. I'll be leaving the link in the description below. Make sure you search for the bots, sign up. Also, you just need to link your account. You see everything is very easy. I've already done it, so that's why I can't really show you right now how it is. I have done it and it was seamless. You just need to sync the two accounts together and it is done. So make sure you jump on this opportunity. It is very essential that you join the Mesh chain AI. It is very important. And also let me show you one more thing. So right now you can only use their Telegram notes and their extension. So coming soon we have the desktop software coming soon. Yeah, the desktop software is coming soon. It's still in the works. We have the hardware also, it's also coming soon. So all this will increase your points and it will increase your mining capability so that you can make a lot of money while getting a lot of points. So if you have any question, please make sure you drop it in the comment section below. Also tell me where you're watching this video from so that I'll be doing videos relating to your countries. Until I see my next video, take care of yourself and God bless, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Also drop a like.